This monkey bread recipe with canned biscuit is one of my favorite recipes to make on a weekend morning. It's sweet and gooey and so quick and easy to throw together, making it a perfect weekend treat. Since we're using canned biscuits, you can easily assemble it in less than 10 minutes and take it out of the oven in about 40. My name is Melissa and I'm the baker behind Whisking Up Yum. I love baking sweet things and empowering others to have fun in the kitchen too. If that sounds like your jam, click subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified every time I come out with a new recipe. And as always, download the recipe card that's in the description box below so you can make this monkey bread recipe too. It's so easy and delicious, you'll be so happy you made it. Open up your buttermilk biscuit can and cut each of the biscuits into 4 wedges. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Take each piece of dough and dip it into the butter, and then dip it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Be sure to rotate the dough until every side is covered. Then toss it into your baking dish. Make sure you don't pack down any of the dough or it won't rise. After all your dough pieces are thoroughly coated, pour the remaining butter over the top of the pan. Place the bun pan into the oven for 40 minutes or until the top springs back. If you use a 9x13 pan, you'll bake it for about 25 minutes. Remove the monkey bread from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Carefully invert your monkey bread onto your serving platter and serve immediately. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I publish a new video every Monday and Thursday. Be sure to click subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified every time I come out with new videos. Don't forget to get your recipe card in the description box below.